Yeah. Hi, Prabhu. Very good morning. Last class, where did we stop? Or do you have any idea where we stopped the last class?
Actually, variables we are discussing. Scopes, I think, system
Yeah.
scopes.
Variable scopes completed, right? User scope, session scope, and then
System
system
scope, yes.
scope.
Yes,
It is completed, right?
completed.
Okay. Today we'll discuss about command line arguments. I think I have told this already, right?
Okay.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir, I am able to see. But actually, last class uh,
Recording, right?
recording,
Last class recording.
exactly where we stopped, I don't know, sir.
Okay. No problem. I have pinged. See, I don't have these recordings. Recordings are with Shanmugh. I have pinged him. I mean, like whatever mail ID you have given to me, I have shared with him. He will share. He will share to you. Don't worry about that recordings. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
In today's class, we are going to discuss about command line arguments.
And one more thing, sir. When can we start with in Telugu or it's continue in English?
We'll continue with English. If you are having any problems or if you didn't understand anything, you can ask me. I will explain in Telugu. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
In today's class, we are going to discuss about command line arguments. The arguments which are passed from the command prompt at the time of executing our script are called command line arguments. As I told you already, I have given you few examples. What are command line arguments? All those things. What is the definition of command line arguments? Is the arguments which are passed from the command prompt at the time of executing a script is called command line arguments. That is the definition of command line arguments. Okay, I will explain. Let this mission start. Then I will be showing you with the example. Okay. Inside script we can access command line arguments also. See, inside the script also we can access the command line arguments as well. And then let this mission come on. Just give me 1 minute also. Let me put the chart. Okay. Okay. Let me zoom in this one as well. Okay, suppose let's see, we have created a scripts folder as well, right? Here, as you remember, there is a script folder as well. What I'll do, I'll be changing the directory to that one. Let me clear the screen. Okay, let me see ls-ldr. These two files are present. And suppose what is the meaning of command line arguments is like, suppose I am executing the script like this. Suppose I am executing date.sh, and then after this, if I pass something like line, this is a way command line arguments, like something, anything. These are called Linux is called command line arguments. At the time of executing our script, if you pass any arguments, those arguments are called command line arguments. Okay. Inside script, we can access command line arguments as follows. There are few, few symbols where you need to understand. $#, number of arguments it is going to give. Number of arguments. Okay. This is number of arguments. $0. $0 is it is going to give the script name. What is the script name we have created? Though that the script name it is going to give $1. It is $1. It is going to give the first argument. $2 it is going to give second argument. $3, $4, $5 equivalently it is like that. And then $star. $star what it does is it is going to give all the arguments. Okay. $star is all arguments. You will understand once we write the script with example. Okay, $star after $@. It is also give the all stars. I'm sorry, all arguments. Okay, but there is a slight difference between $star and $@. I will explain. And then there is another thing. This is very important. $question mark. Okay, represents exit code of previously executed command or script. Okay, this is called exit code. Okay. These are the few examples which you need to memorize it. Okay. Now what I will be doing is I'll create a script here, nano test.sh. I'm going to give bin dash here. Okay. Now I'm just writing echo number of arguments. Else what I'll say script. What is a if you want to get the script name, what is the symbol we need to give? Dollar
$hash.
Hash $hash is for number of arguments, right?
Sir, sorry.
If you give $hash, it is not going to give the script name. $0 you need to give. Then you are get the script name. Next one is echo. Now number of arguments. Number of arguments. If you want to get number of arguments, what is the symbol? $hash. Okay. And then if you want to get echo, I'll pass three arguments here. What I'll say first argument. Okay, first argument is the symbol $1. Okay. Next one is same thing, echo. Second argument. Okay. Second argument is $2. Echo. Third argument. Okay. Third argument is, what is the third argument? $3. I'll just pass 3 arguments so I to waste your time. Next, total arguments. How we can get the total arguments?
$star.
Echo total arguments. Total arguments are $star. Where is the star? $star. Okay. This is enough for now. Okay. What I will save this file. Okay. Now I will run it. You see, bash test.sh enter. See, we didn't pass any arguments right here. The script name we got test.sh, number of arguments is 0, first arguments nothing. We passed none of the arguments. Now let me pass. Linux is easy. Okay, 3 arguments we have passed. Now see, test.sh, number of arguments is 3. Linux is the first argument, second argument, third argument, total arguments perfect. It is working fine. Next, after that, I have shown you an example. Now, there is even one more thing I forgot to add. See, suppose if I come down here and the same example to get the total arguments, if I give total arguments are, and then if I give $, it is also going to give the same thing. Let me save this file and let me run it again. See, total arguments is, but there is a difference between these two. I am going to explain that one. Okay. Okay. Difference between a dollar at the rate and dollar star is what I meant to say. Let me come down.
Sir, can
here.
you paste that script in this notepad?
Sure, I will
Yeah.
do that. I will do that.
It's okay.
Dollar. See, first let me explain dollar at the rate. All command line arguments with a space separator. Here, it is going to give the space as separator. Okay. Here, there will be space separator, but dollar star, all command line arguments as a single string. Okay, there is no space separator. It is a single string. It is a single string. Okay. This is the difference. Here, dollar at the rate, it is going to be a space separator, but dollar star, it is going to give the single star. How to check how we can check a default IFS? IFS is nothing but what is the meaning of abbreviation of IFS? Internal field separator. How we can check that internal field separator is simple thing. How set and then pipe symbol, and then if this is the command to check the internal field separator. If you give IFS, 1 second, we should get only, I think, 1 second, give me 1 second. Let me zoom out one little bit. If you scroll up, these are the internal field separators. See, this is the one I was talking about. This is there, right? This is space. This is space here. Okay, and we can change the values. If you want to change it, you can change it as well. How to change the IFS value? Now we have I mean, like, this is with the space default separator. Now what I will do in the same script, I will change the field separator as well, and we will see what it is going to happen. Okay, now what I'm going to say, nano .sh, same script is there, right? Here I will come down here and I'm going to give IFS is equal to double quotations, and I'm going to give underscore as a phase of internal field separator. Now the same thing, everything remains same as it is. Okay, everything remains as it is. What I will do, I will save it. I'm going to do this for you. It is not going to copy. Anyway, we will see that later. Now let me run this one as well. Now let me just bash .sh. Let me run Linux is easy. Okay, just enter. Now see here, did you find out the difference here between these two now?
Yeah, okay.
See the difference here? What is the first one we have used? Dollar?
Dollar stars.
Are you sure dollar star is the first one we have used? Yes. Dollar star, we can change the field separator because it is a string, right? That is why we can change it. But dollar star, it is a fixed what is it? Internal field separator. We cannot change it. Okay. That is the difference between dollar star and dollar at the rate. A dollar star is a string. It is a collection string. Okay. The main purpose of command line arguments is to customize the behavior of the script. Okay. How I can give an example is, suppose you want to find out the length of your name. Suppose you want to find the length of your name. Tell me one script. We'll write a script to find the length of your name, something like that. Length. I'll just click enter. We are going to write a script to find length of your name, something like that. Okay. Bin bash. What I will say, I will give echo. If I give what is your name, Prabhu, right? I am going to give Prabhu. What I will get if I run this one?
Prabhu is
You are going to get only Prabhu. For this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give the pipe symbol on WC minus C. Now what I will get? Let us check. What we will get, we will check this. Bash length dot sh. See, we have a 7 words there. Okay. Now let me again open that file. Okay, this is perfect. Now 7. How many words are there? 1, 2, 3, 6 only, right? Why 7? See, default echo will have a one new line character. If you want to delete that one, we need to give -n. Okay, and then just save this file and then go back and then run it again. Enter. See, now we are getting perfect. Now let me clear the screen and then again open this one. Now I need, this is the what we are doing. We are, I mean, like this result we need to substitute it to variable, right? How we can do that? This result, whatever we got, this result we need to substitute it to certain variable. How we can do that?
with for giving any variable names to assign that one.
Tell me the syntax.
If a equal to
I'm declaring len. Okay, length equal to.
length equal to. Okay.
Now what is the symbol we need to give here?
Here in columns we in dollar with backticks we are giving length equal to in backticks dollar
the parenthesis. Okay, this is called command substitution. Okay, and then come down here and we are going to give echo. What is the thing? The length of who is what is the variable here? $len. Okay,
len.
now save this file. Now run it again. Now we are going to get length of Prabhu is 6. See, this is a normal way how we can do. Using command line arguments, we can customize the behavior. How we can customize the behavior? Simple thing. I'll just go to the script again. Now come down here. Instead of passing your name here, what we can pass? Command line arguments we can pass. What? $1. If you pass $1, we are going to give only one argument. Okay, and save this file. After that, here also we need to change. What I should give there? The length of the given. You can see the length of given. Save this file. Now run the same thing. Now see, instead of, now I can run the same script for Prabhu. I can run the same script for my name. Okay, I can run the same script for anything. I can run the same script for anything like anything. See, anything it is going. This is how we can customize the behavior of the script using command line arguments. Okay. Now this script will work for any of the string provided by the command from the command prompt at the time of executing the script. Even see, suppose I'm just doing random things like this.
Sir, can we run this in variable with the backtick symbol also?
Yeah, we can run it, but as I told you, the thing which we need to follow is $parenthesis.
Okay.
Symbols is like confusing. I will show that one as well. See, I'm just giving random command line arguments. Now see, what is the length? We are getting length as 102. Now let me open the file again. You can follow it. It is just, you just need to remove this one and give the tick symbol here. Basically, I follow only the parentheses. I don't follow the tick symbols. Tick symbols are invisible. How we can see? We cannot check this one properly, right?
Yeah. Oh, okay. I'm just asking.
Let me run it again. See, we are getting the same thing here as well. There is no problem with this. Okay, see, if you want to check again, I'm just removing some random. Now we are getting there. It is working for tick symbol as well. Just keep one thing in mind, only the dollar parenthesis. Okay, write a script to create a log file with the timestamp. This is the requirement. Write a script to create log file with timestamp. What do you know the timestamp?
Yeah.
Timestamp. We need to create a log file while creating a time with the timestamp. How? I'll just show you the script. Nano. I'm going to time stamp dot sh. Click enter. Same thing. Bin bash. I'm going to give first one. Bin bash. Come down here. After this, I'm just directly giving the. I'm going to declare the timestamp variable here. Okay. I'm just trying to get the value here. What is the command we need to use for getting the time? Date is the
Dates.
command. Space plus percentage d percentage small d
Okay. Percentage D, percentage H,
percentage
I
m
M. Okay, minutes.
percentage
H.
percent. First we need to get the month, date, year, like that,
Year.
right?
Okay, sir.
After that we need to get hour. This is hour. Next we need to get minutes. This is minutes. Next we need to get
Seconds. S. Capital S.
now whatever the result we got from this command, we have passed it to this variable. Perfect. Now come down here. Now use echo and then double quotations. This is data to log file. Okay. And then okay, this is fine. And then I'm redirecting this one to what is I need to pass here. This is the one timestamp. Okay, dot log. This is perfect. We are writing this data to this timestamp dot log file. Okay, but there should be already timestamp file should be exist already. I'll create a timestamp file later once after writing this script. Date. Okay, even I'm redirecting a few more things to that same file. Time date and then timestamp come out dot log. Okay, come down here, and then if you want to redirect again, I'm passing echo and then redirecting that the output whatever we got from by running the echo command, and then I'm trying to redirect it to timestamp. Okay, timestamp dot log. Okay, last I'm going to give echo data written successfully. Okay, did you understand the this one? What we can do is here, I will just go to this line here. Again, I'm going to add some more data here. Echo. This is extra data return. Something like that. Okay, this is fine. And then again, I'm redirecting it to dollar parenthesis timestamp. Okay, dot log. Okay. Okay, let me save this file. Now there is no file, right? What I will say, touch timestamp. Okay, timestamp dot log file. Just create it. Now let me run the dash timestamp.sh. Let's enter. A data written successfully. Now let me check what data is present here. Time. Instead of doing that one, let's see ls-ltr. See, you are able to see the file name here, right? 0708. Let me maximize. You are able to see this one, right? 0708 time. Okay. Again, I will run that file. Again, I'm going to run the script. Again, I'm going to see. See, two files have been written. Once you run it, you are going to get that. Okay. If you want to see what data is present, just use this one, and then I'm going to see the latest one. Okay. See, this is data, everything it is going to write. That is how you write a script to get the timestamp. Okay. Okay. If you execute the script, every time a new file will be created. If you take timestamp with the timestamp for every hour, if you want to do what you need to change there, you just need to no need to mention hours, minutes, all those things, hours, minutes, seconds. If you want to create a new log file every day, you just want to remove hours, minutes, seconds. You want to remove. This is a command line argument. Any questions? Do you have any questions?
Sir, can you please explain that script in one more time in this
Which
date?
script?
This is last timestamp.
This one, right?
Yes. Sir.
See, nothing. There is nothing here. What we are doing is first timestamp equal to we are first. Did you understand this timestamp? What we have
Yeah.
done here?
Yeah, sir. That's okay. I understand.
We have done the command substitution. Whatever the result we got from this value, we have substituted to this variable timestamp. Now we are redirecting this data. Echo, this is the data. This is the data we are redirecting. See, echo, and then if I give this one, what I will get?
Then it will print this. This is the data to log file.
It will give me the same thing.
Same thing.
To log file, I am going to get this is the log file. Now I am using a redirection here. This is called redirection. I am redirecting these data. I am redirecting these data to this file. This file. Okay. This file, I mean, like we should have timestamp.log file already existing before writing this one. Here, timestamp I'm passing, right? Here, this timestamp will be this is the variable. This is the variable. What result we are going to get here? This result 0708 date, month, year, and then hours, minutes, seconds. This is going to come down here. This one is going to come down here.
Okay.
Give me 1 minute. Huh? Whatever the result, whatever the result we got from this one, this is going to be substituted to this variable, and this variable we are using it here. That is the thing. It is going to give that log file name as 0708 something dot log file. Even there is, I think there is no need to create a new file with timestamp dot log file. Okay. And then again, I'm redirecting a few more data. This is extra data. This data I'm going to redirect it to the same file. Okay. Again, I'm redirecting date command. Date command also I'm redirecting it to this one. Echo also I'm trying to redirect. Echo, when I used echo, just we are going to get an empty line. That is also we got this one. Lastly, I have written data written successfully, like that.
Okay.
Now, are you clear with this one?
Yes. Okay.
Any questions in command line arguments?
Yeah. No. Sir. What is the use of using that date in that script? We are using a date and
a simple something. Just I want to show you something, right? That is why I have used, instead of using a date, you can use anything. You are not I mean, like you are not good with it. Use ls hyphen ldr. Okay, save this file. Okay, now run it again. Just for simple understanding, I have used that one. Now data has been written. Now ls -ltr you will be seeing the latest file is this is the latest file. Now if you want to see the date, what data is present, cat 07 and then 34 and then give like this. See, now you got the data as ls-ltr also has the output has saved here. Okay,
Okay.
simple, for just simple understanding I have given it. Any further questions you have?
No.
Okay, then the command line arguments is also completed. Next we are going to see how to read a dynamic data. Tomorrow we will complete this, how to read a dynamic data from end user. Okay,
Okay, sir.
I have shared your number to Shanmugh. He is going to share the recordings. Don't worry about the recordings. Okay, this
Okay.
Saturday and Sunday, if we have time, we'll connect Saturday and Sunday. We'll complete max to max. Okay,
Okay.
maybe 2 hours or 3 hours we'll sit and then we are going to complete. Okay,
Uh, I did not get that, sir. Saturday, Sunday. It's shipping. It will become completed in this Saturday, Sunday.
no. I mean to say